Today, we will be assembling the 12V Batmobile by Action Wheels Toys. With the tools provided, please remove the nut installed on the rear axle. Then, slide on the rear wheel. Repeat this for both sides. Please make sure that you are installing the wheel on the motor coupling so we can ensure a proper fit. After reinstalling the nuts and washers on both sides, tighten both wheels simultaneously until they are snug. To install the front wheels, first remove the washer on the front axle. Find the wheel labeled front and install. Reinstall the washer and tighten until snug. To install the wheel caps, line up the 3 tabs with the 3 slots and click into place. Repeat for all wheels. To install the steering wheel, first remove the steering wheel set bolt. Slide onto the steering column. Then reinstall the steering wheel set bolt by lining it up with the holes. To connect the battery, line up the battery terminal connection with the main wire connection and click into place. To install the seat, insert the tabs on the back of the seat into the grooves of the vehicle body. Slide the seat into place. Then tighten both screws using a screwdriver. To install batteries on the remote control motorcycle, first remove the screw from the underside of the motorcycle. Open up the latch door and remove the battery pack. Install 4 AA batteries. To install batteries on the remote control, remove the screw from the back and open up the plate. Install 2 AAA batteries. Install the remote control onto the steering wheel using the tabs and grooves provided. Pull on the latch underneath the dash to open up the motorcycle trap door. If you have any other questions, please call our friendly trained customer service technicians.